Hey, what's up, guys? This is Football Fan 22 here, and I'm bringing you another video. This video I'm going to be opening up Panini Infinity Football hobby box, 6 cards per box, 3 autographs or memorabilia cards, and about 1 insert or parallel per box on average, as you can see right there. Let's just get into this. So let's just hope I get something good. I've seen some other people. Some boxes are good, some are not as good. So hopefully get one of the good boxes. These are what the cards look like. So to start off, we got a Jordan Reed, a Daniel Lasco, number 288. The next card up, pretty nice one, Ezekiel Elliott, jersey card. Looks like we got a redemption. The next card, not that bad. Tajay Sharp, sticker autograph. It's not that bad of a hit. The last card, Terry Bradshaw. Not numbered, just base. Alright, let's see what our redemption is. Panini Infinity Rookie Autographs. Card number 14, Vernon Butler. Not that great of redemption. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed.